Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to connect Wi-Fi without password. So to do that, let's head over to our settings application in here. And then you have to head over to the connection section. Now go to the Wi-Fi option. Now turn on the Wi-Fi. And as you can see, I have a Wi-Fi connected. Now, if someone wants to connect to this Wi-Fi, what they need to do is just they can use its password, and the other way is I can share network or using the QR code. So if I tap on the QR code on the lower left corner, I have to give my phone's password in here to verify it's me who wants to see. So yeah, this is the QR code. I can share it from here, also save it as an image. And by scanning it, they can just get into the Wi-Fi I'm currently using. So yeah, this is how they can connect Wi-Fi without password. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll reach you out.